The semester 2 of Jyotish Fundamentals Program by the Art of Living Jyotish Vastu Academy is an intermediate level Jyotish Learning Program. So to apply for this program, you already have to know basics about Jyotish. This is not meant for beginners level. So the invitation to apply for the exam of the second semester is now open to all. You can certainly go on our website, apply for the exam for the second semester, and once you clear the exam, the written test, and if required a viva, we'll send you a personalized link on your email to enroll for the second semester, which is the intermediate Jyotish level. In the second semester, you can expect to go deeper into the hardcore principles of analyzing a chart and making a prediction. We are going to cover all about matrimony, be it matchmaking, timing of the marriage, about the career, choice of career, ups and downs in career, all about health. The detailed syllabus is mentioned on our website for the second semester. So if you are really looking forward to learn Jyotish in depth and make it to the practical use, join the second semester directly on the Art of Living Jyotish Vastu Academy.